Let's look at an example of how we would search for information on the internet with the following problem. We are in a conversation and we are told that there is a very interesting children's video game for young children, which is called something like that we have understood as lipstick, a name in English that, well, it may happen that we do not know exactly how to write it or we take note of it wrongly, as is the case, since if we go to the search engine, what we would normally do would be to type in an internet search engine, for example, Google. So we would put in we would identify the keywords and we would say, well, it's a video game, it's for children, because of course video games can have a lot of information on the internet. And we focused the search on the fact that it is a video game for children. And we put the name that we have, we thought we understood. Well, in this case, we would give it, and since we have really given it a piece of information that is not entirely relevant, we don't see that we find the information that we really, really need. No, it has found 1,300 results. But we would go over the same ones, we would go clicking, we would see that they are all Nintendo, they are all video game consoles, but it is not exactly, because here we already go to the children's games, but we are not in the environment of the information that we really need. So we may indeed think that the name is not too adequate, or, well, we are going to generalize the information. For example, we remove the name because we suspect that it is not the one we need, and we look for a synonym video game. So we say, well, maybe we call it console, children's console, which may seem that the information is more generic. Well, then look at how with synonyms or putting more or less information directly in the first occurrence, we see that there is a console effectively called. In this case, it is not lipstick, but leapstick. It is, well, pronounced by us in a language that is not ours. Logically, it is a specific model that is not very well known. Well, logically, no, we have not understood it well, because this can happen on many occasions. Then we have to think about how we can modify the keywords that we have decided to use initially and that we have not been giving us results at. We have to adopt changing strategies to finally find the information that we are looking for.